Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie Ren, here again with another video. We are in full-blown Unboxmas mode. This is our first weekend. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday everybody. So I am here on the floor getting ready to go through it with you all, because so Friday and Saturday were candle whatever day, I don't know what they call it, candle day, Candlemas, I don't know, but it was candle day at Bath and Body Works. And every year, if you watch my video from last year, and I'll put it up in the iCard so you guys can get a see at it, but last year I think we had like 41 candles, I believe it was, that my husband and I were able to get at the candle sale from Bath and Body Works last year. This year, it's crazy. This year, I think it was, I don't know, let me ask him, 72 candles. Happy Sunday. So I didn't plan on filming the candle haul and doing an Unboxmas an unbagging of the candles. However, they're here, I have to sort through them anyway, so I wanted to show them to you. However, I don't want the video to be mega long, because you know we're doing an unboxing every day, so we've got to do this again tomorrow and again and again and again. So I don't want the video to be mega long, so I'm going to see if I can change the angle of the camera to face down, and then I'm going to just kind of like just scroll through them so you can see what we got. We do have some that we got duplicates and some that we got quads.
Yes.
That we got quads and triplets of candles. So why, do you ask? Why do you have so many candles? Okay, so first things first, we attend this event every year, or we make this a year, this event, we make this a priority because we basically get our candles for the entire year in this one sale, and we usually have like coupons that you can put on top of the sale, and you can like get a really good value for your candles. So I think the ones that we ended up getting, or between the two of us, we were able to get them for, I believe they go for like $10, 25 cents each. They're 3-wick candles, and in all these like crazy fragrances and seasonal fragrances and things like that. We ended up getting them, I think, for about $9 and change each. So we just went crazy with candles. So that's number one. Number two, we live in Manhattan, where it is not the place to shop for candles or big bulk amounts of candles at one time. So we had to go in shifts. So I went one time and I got a bunch of candles, load up the car, drive, whatever. And then he goes another time. And so we didn't get to shop together. So hence that's the reason why we have duplicates, triplicates, quads of some of the same candles. Not well thought out. We're just buying things that we really like, but it's all right, because like I said, we buy our candles basically for the whole year. There are some candles that I will still buy that Bath and Body Works does not sell, that I will buy on my own, like my Byredo candles, all of my luxury candles basically. Woodwick is another one that I really love, because when it burns it sounds like a fireplace crackling. I really like that. So those obviously I'll buy like one-offs, and they're usually a little bit more expensive than what I would get at a Bath and Body Works. Like the Byredo candles here in the US go for about $85. So I'll buy those as like, you know, special candles to burn in my bedroom or what have you. But we love candles, okay? if you didn't know. So to not make this video super long, I'm going to switch the camera around, so start going through it. I'm going to see if I can time lapse them and just kind of just show you what we got, and then I'll be back when we've gone through all the candles. I'm not going to show you the duplicates, the triplicates and the quads, because that's just too much. That's ridiculous. So I'll just show you the ones like the singles, and so we'll get through that. All right, turn the camera around. all right. So we have 72 candles. I think I showed in the video 41 in the close-ups, in the little scroll there, 41, because the rest of them were duplicates, triplicates, triples, or quads, so that we bought multiples of, basically. So those are the single flavors or single fragrances. I always say flavors. That's because they smell like food, but those are the single fragrances, and then some of them were doubles. And I was giving little thumbs ups and thumbs down as I was smelling them, because I was literally going through some of these for the first time since my husband picked his lot. So there's some of the fragrances that I don't care for, but that he loves, and that's great. He can burn them in his space when he's hanging out, he can burn them. I didn't care for them, some of them, so you would see me give a little thumbs down some of the ones that I didn't really care for, or thumbs ups to some ones that I was like, oh, yummy, you know, this smells really nice. So that's it, I'm done, because I know this video is going to be hella long, and that's not what we're trying to do. That's not what we're doing for Unboxmas. So I'm going to sound off, but basically, oh, and can we just get into this head wrap real quick? Can we just get into this head wrap real quick? So one of my subbies and fellow YouTubers who's also doing Vlogmas, and I will link her videos up here, or her channel up in the iCards, is Shani Cole. Hi, Shani. Shani is so amazing. Oh my gosh, Shani just got this purple bag that is just chef's kiss. Anyway, so Shani was like, sis, you need to show me how to work with these scarves, these shawls, or what have you, like what you're doing with them or what have you. So not only can you tie it traditional style, yes, okay, I did that I think on yesterday's vlog, Unboxmas cover. I had it wrapped around my neck. You can also wrap it around your head, you can wrap it around your chest. There's so many things that you can do with it. Liz Hurling is also a fellow YouTuber here. She has a video where she talks about all the different ways that she styles her scarves and her shawls, her luxury scarves and shawls. But there's so many ways that you can do it, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a flex with the Gucci Balenciaga hacker shawl. So just giving it a little love this weekend. Took it for a little twirl this weekend, you know, giving it a little go, but just wanted to show a different way that you can wear it. Would be, you know, if you tie it up on your hair and give it a little style. So it's the weekend, you know, we're chilling, you know, maybe we're gonna go for a little brunch or something like that, but just wanted to give it a little bit of a little moment. All right, I'm done, I'm gone. All right, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time that we are in the house doing these videos. But guess what, I'll be back tomorrow. Ooh, tomorrow's unboxing. Oh god, you don't want to miss tomorrow's unboxing. Tomorrow's unboxing is really special. They're all special, but this one is like, oh yeah, tomorrow's unboxing is going to be really, really good. So I'll see you then. Talk to you soon. Bye.